Hi, it's me Deepa, and today I'm going to show you my very easy, very fast way of preparing grind dal for your Dhalpuri roti. Now I love using my food processor. It is so easy, so quick, and your dal is guaranteed to come out really fine and smooth. There will be no lumps in there, no pieces, hard pieces of dal that could possibly burst your Dhalpuri roti when you're rolling it out. So that's why I love using my food processor. My mom does not like the food processor. She loves the traditional way. She loves using the mill. I totally respect that. If you like the mill, that's fine. I do not have the patience for grinding dal in a mill. So today I'm using 2 cups of dal, and what you want to do is wash your dal, and when you're finished doing that, try to use a large pot to do this. Do not overfill your pot as well, because it can overflow when you start boiling your dal. So fill it maybe 3/4 way up and leave it on maybe medium to low heat, and boil it until it gets to this consistency. You want it to basically sort of melt between your fingers when you press it. This way, you know, it will be so much easier when you start grinding it in your food processor. So yeah, you just want to strain your dal, and when you're finished straining your dal, leave it to cool. When it's completely cooled down, then you can put it into your food processor. So I'm going to just spoon it into my food processor, and the next thing I'm going to do, I am going to grind it a little bit, just pulse it a little bit till it gets to a really nice smooth consistency, the best that it can get without any water. And once it has, you know, reached to that consistency without using water, at that point you can use just a little bit of water at a time to get this consistency. So I did add water to it. So now I'm going to actually prepare jeera. I'm going to roast my jeera myself. So what you want to do is just toast it in your pan, and toast it until you start seeing it popping. So when you see them popping a little bit and it's really nice and brown, then you can move over to your mortar and pestle. I got mine in Peru, so I know that would be the next question you will ask me, where you got your mortar and pestle. So I actually brought it with me when I went on vacation. I loved it. So if you can find a nice stone one like this, oh my god, I swear it is the best. You can see how nice and round it is, so it's so easy to grind. I love this one. So if you can source one like this, trust me, you would love it. So just grind it as fine as you can. I can't even, I wish you guys could actually smell what I smell. It smells amazing. When you actually roast or toast your jeera yourself, you would love it. The smell is different, the taste is different, everything is different. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm using a non-stick pan, so I would suggest you do that. I added a little bit of vegetable oil, and now I'm going to add my pureed dal. So you don't have to use oil, but I like using a little bit of oil. I think it adds a lot more flavor to my dal. So what you want to do is just keep turning it on very low heat. Keep your flame low and just keep turning it, and eventually this is going to dry out. It wouldn't take very long, maybe 10 minutes. Add your jeera, some salt. I always use Himalayan pink salt, some black pepper, and fresh green seasoning. I am using shadow beni, garlic, and pepper. And once you keep turning it, it will dry out. You can see it's drying here. Now I forgot to add my saffron or turmeric powder in the beginning, so add it in the beginning when it's very when it's more of a paste consistency. That way it will blend very well. So you see how nice and smooth that is? That is what I like. I love that it just melts in my finger. So once your dal is finished, what I like to do is just add a little bit more jeera and a little bit more seasoning, some fresh green seasoning, And of course, at this point, you want to taste it, make sure it has enough salt, and you're good to go. I swear you will love this. This is why I like using my food processor. It comes out perfect. There are no pieces of dal that remains, like solid pieces that would boost my dhalpuri. And the rest of my jeera, I'm going to put it in a plastic bag, tie it really tight, and store it away. And I'm going to use it for my curry, because we're going to make dhalpuri and curry shrimp and curry chicken and curry aloo. So I can't wait to show you guys that video. That's coming next, so look out for that one. So our roti came out really well. I'm giving you all a sneak peek. Today's video is just to show you how I prepare the dal filling for dhalpuri. And in my next video, I'm going to show you guys how we cook all these delicious dishes on the chulha. So we're going to cook everything outside, and mom really did all the cooking. She chunky all the pots, every single dish, she did everything. I'm just assistant today. So yeah, I prepared dal, but she filled them, she rolled it out, and she need the flour. So I'm going to show you guys how she does it in my next video. So do not miss that one, and it's coming up soon. So look at how perfect this roti is. Oh my gosh. So I swear, try this version of this way of grinding your dal. It's perfect, it's smooth, and it will not burst your and it would spread really well in your dhalpuri roti. So it's perfect. And you know, mommy must get involved. Look at her, she came in my space cooking my roti to show me how to do it. So look at how delicious everything looks. So guys, don't forget, look out for the next video, and see you guys soon. So I hope you all like this video, and of course don't forget to subscribe and share this video if you like it. And I'm also on TikTok now, so I'm new to it, I'm still learning, but you can check me out on TikTok, and of course I am on Instagram as well. So look out for the next video. Bye.